My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted extension called loading timer. This loading timer is a special extension for Google Chrome. The developers of this extension indicate that you'll be checked to load time of any page. Maybe this feature is needed for some people, and I really doubt that. But the trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the huge portion of intrusive advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, make sure you undertake the measures and remove it as soon as possible from your Google Chrome. So access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this loading timer unwanted extension. Finally, my recommendation is that you also investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.